Hi there, lovelies. Thanks for stopping in. So I've had a lot of requests about different beauty things. I thought it would be nice if I went through these steps on how I take care of my makeup brushes. Taking care of your makeup brushes or whatever tools you use for your face is so freaking important because think about it. You need to be cleaning those said tools often because you are using that on your face. Hello, no wonder why maybe we have either more breakouts or acne problems or just all of the above because you're using like dirty, grimy brushes on your nicely taken care of skin. It just doesn't match up. So you need to do both. So I'm gonna just wash my brushes and show you exactly what I do. This is from Sigma and I absolutely love this. I've been using this for a few years now and it still is holding up real nice. It's double-sided. So you can see that it has different textures here. This side is for your face brushes, like your bigger fluff brushes, just because it has like bigger little textured spots. And then on the back over here, this is for more of like your eyeshadow brushes and like those little tiny ones to really get in there. So up here is like your rinse spot. After each section that you do, you rinse it off here in the water. I use Dawn dish detergent because if it's soft enough for your dishes, then it's totally fine for your bristles on your makeup brushes. This is just what I keep my brushes in currently. As you can see, they are quite dirty right now. So I'm gonna get to scrubbing and then letting them air dry. I'm gonna start out with like my face brushes because they need the most time to air dry. So again, I'm just using a little dollop of soap. Definitely get your brushes super like soaked and wet. Look at all of that makeup coming out. Hold tight, dripping lights. Use the top portion where it says rinse to really try to help get those suds out of the bristles. And just again, make small little circles. Hopefully most of the suds are out already, but that's just getting a little bit finer, clean in there. Rinse again, go to the next section. At the end, just take it and squeeze the brush through. I will then just shake it here in the sink. I will just help air dry it a little bit better by really shaking off that excess water, and then I'm gonna throw it in the canister for it to air dry and on to the next. Right, and now we sit and wait, but these are double-ended, that's why I didn't stick them in there, just so they can like have the proper amount to air dry, and also it doesn't damage the other end of the bristles. Nice and cleaned. They are so soft, like they're just ready to be used now. And it's as simple as that, y'all. So you do not necessarily need the mitt that I actually use to clean my brushes. I just really like that because I feel like having those different textured bumps is able to really get into those bristles and just get all of that makeup out, so it's like super duper clean. You can just do this honestly with soap and water yourself and like use your hand. Maybe put a rubber glove on in general, like a dish glove, just so like the hotness from the water, it doesn't like scald your hand after a while, and also that it doesn't get like super like wet and wrinkly. I hate it when we get pruned hands. I definitely recommend doing this. You don't have to do it every week, but I like to clean my brushes at least every 2 weeks. I mean, especially like some of my eyeshadow ones that I use like on the daily. I hope you lovelies enjoyed this little makeup brush washing tutorial, or the steps on what I do to keep my makeup tools nice and clean, because that honestly is such a big key into helping take care of your skincare regime in general. So if you guys like this, I would love it if you gave it a little heart down below. It's always so greatly appreciated. Shoot me a comment, let me know what you want to see, and until next time, lovelies, bye-bye.